Yeah, baby.
It's Andreas. Don't fuck with the boss.
Hello? Yeah, Andreas. No, sure, that's fine. I'll be right there.
Gentlemen, the ragdoll pussycats are in town. They've got tantalizing tricks to show. They like to play with balls. New girls every night. Come play at Lebocat Strip Club in Rio from 8 p.m. till 3 a.m.
We will play with you.
And don't forget, what happens at Lebocat stays at Lebocat.
Traffic safety is no laughing matter, my friend.
Hey, you dented my car!
Oh, qual é?
Andreas, did you have a good carnival?
Yeah, man, still hangover.
It's a good life. The yacht, the parties, the girls.
But there's a price. Time to show Consumer Peralta our appreciation.
The traditional suitcase full of unmarked bills?
That's it. A sign of respect to a powerful man. I usually handle this, but this time, I want you to do it. You should meet him face to face. You should look into his eyes to see what you're going to be dealing with one day.
Sounds good.
Assuming that you're sticking around long enough to ever see him again.
What do you mean?
Forget I said it. See you later.
Hey, Anna, I think Andreas knows about me leaving the gang and he's cool with it.
He knows you want to quit the Assassinos. Jesus, he's going to kill you, stupid fuck.
Look, baby, I have to go. Sorry, didn't see you.
That's dangerous.
He's too busy, so he sends his little bitch to handle the payoff. So, how do you like the assassinos? I imagine it's dirty work.
Compared to what? Being a city councilman on the take? You got your money. Have a nice life, cocksucker.
Nice work on that job. The consummate just called, says you're a punk, and he would like me to please kill you as a favor to him.
The guy smelled like a woman, like he took a sponge bath in perfume. You can't take him seriously.
Anyhow, you know Venancio?
Yeah, I've heard of him. The syndicate banger who ripped off her chop shop. You want me to find him?
I already did. Well, Marcelo found him. Head over to the Boom Dance Club.
Back.
Hey, you dented my car!
Around with it, you know.
What the fuck you looking at?
Shut your cockholster, you payaso! Hey, Raul, Andreas says you get to do the honors. Kill this guy!
Don't buy no green bananas, Raul. The syndicate's got a bounty on you, and someone's going to collect. Just a matter of time. Raul, you fucking eunuch. Everyone knows you're pussy whipped. Literally. Her vagina is holding a bow whip, and she's smacking you around with it.
I'll put you in the
You think you're getting out of this alive?
Hey, Fomo. What? Hang on. Marcelo, I don't know who we just killed, but Venancio's at the beach. Fomo's looking right at him.
When Andreas hears this, he's going to shit a duffel bag full of tarantulas.
have any money tucked in my shirt.
He's over there. Oh, damn it. The motherfucker is running.
Sinistro! You must be a drug lord!
You can't touch me! I'm with the Syndicate!
Hi! Which way?
Oh, tattoos. And some.
We checked it out, and it's true. Veronica Davo put out a contract on you and Nana.
Caralho.
Yeah, time to get out of town.
Get out of town?
Look, yo, everyone knows that you was already planning to quit the gang.
Andreas,
You gotta pass, Raul. Ego te absolvo and all that. But first, you take care of something for me.
okay, name it, I'll do it.
Davo's brother, Jaime, has been a thorn in my side for years. A good smack would teach him a lesson. But whoever beats him up, his syndicate's going to put a price on his head.
Since they're already after me.
Exactly. I heard he's chilling at the samba drum. Do it, then get out of here.
Don't cry like a bitch.
Stop it, you asshole! That's dangerous!
And don't forget, what happens at Le Bowcat stays at Le Bowcat.
Hello, back off!
Hey, Howell! What the fuck, man? I'm glad they're going to kill you, you piece of shit!
Baby, I'm on my way to pick you up.
I'll be waiting.
I heard you smacked Shine good. See?
You are a real man.
We're leaving town. It's over. Andreas knows.
You pussy! You fucking bitch!
I'm the man here. You can't talk to me like that.
Oh, please. I'm twice the man you'll ever be.
Look, damn it. I'm not getting my head blown off for a kilo of cheap heroin cut with baking powder. I'm not going to have someone come gunning for you to try to get to me. That's not how I'm gonna live my life. I'm through with this gang bullshit. I want a life. A family. Don't you want children?
I want money, power, the clubs, the beach, the parties. This is as good as our life will ever be. You want me to give up on that? To live in some shitty condo and squeeze out a bunch of screaming kids and clip fucking coupons? Palhaço, you make me sick.
Anna, wait! Anna!
She was killed, but someone saw the explosion and dragged you out. You were badly burnt.
How long was I out?
You've been under for 2 months. I hired a doctor and she induced a coma. She had to do some skin grafts, plastic surgery. You look different now.
They killed my Anna. Larissa, who did it?
Could have been one of the rival gangs, or one of the assassinos, or the cops, or Councilman Peralta.
A lot of enemies.
But I'm a friend.
How is a stripper going to help me get my revenge?
I hear things at the club. Just pretend to be new in town and get back into your gang. I'll get all the info I can, and you can find out who killed your girl.
What's in it for you?
You. Your help. But later. For now, you need a new name.
I'm a dead man. Call me Angel.